Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to make the very popular street food of Mumbai, the Tawa Pulav. This pulav is too flavorful as we're going to add freshly ground chili garlic masala and it is loaded with lots of veggies and that would make it one of the best lunchbox recipes as it's gonna taste awesome even if it's not that hot. So friends, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For making the masala paste for the pulao, I have taken 10 dry red chillies, soak them into hot water for about 1 hour and drain out the excess water. You're going to grind them along with some chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons, and followed by half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Grind them to a thick paste by adding just 1 tablespoon of water. Now a chili garlic paste is ready. Keep it aside. Now take a broad and wide kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. This has to be made on a big tawa, but I don't have a big tawa, so I'm using a broad kadai. You can also use this the same way. Now once the butter gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 chopped green chilli and fry them. To this add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and simmer the stove and cook till the ginger paste loses its raw smell. To this add 1 cup of finely chopped onion and saute the onion until they turn golden brown in color. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once you add the turmeric powder, simmer the stove so that it doesn't get burnt. And to this add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic paste that we had ground and cook it till it loses its raw smell. Do it over a slow flame. And once it is done, add 2 large tomatoes chopped, followed by 1 cup of carrot juliennes and 1 cup of French beans cut into juliennes, and cook them until they become not so mushy. They should be crunchy. And add 1.5 cups of shredded cabbage and cook the vegetables until they turn crunchy but not mushy, and never add water at all. The water present in the vegetables will suffice. Now add 1 cup of capsicum cut into juliennes. Capsicum should be added at the end because they get cooked faster, and that is the reason. Now finally add boiled and diced potatoes half a cup and boiled green peas half a cup and mix gently because the vegetables have been cooked. To this add 1 tablespoon of bhaji masala to add flavor and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for that beautiful color and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt to taste. The required amount should be added, and lemon juice taken from half medium sized lemon. Squeeze it well and add chopped coriander leaves, and to this add half a cup of water. Don't add more water, it will become soggy. Just half a cup of water will do just to mix the masalas. And to this add 2 teaspoons of butter. And this pav bhaji masala will give a very unique flavor to this pulav. So this will not taste like the regular vegetable biryani or pulav. Now finally add half a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now our masala is ready. Now this is basmati rice, 2 cups of basmati rice. Cook the rice, drain the water and spread the rice over a white plate and let it cool in room temperature for about 30 minutes so that the grains don't break while mixing. Now add the rice to the masala gradually and mix very gently. See that the rice don't break. The rice texture is perfect. They don't stick to each other. That's because we had spread it over a plate and we had cooled it. So don't mix them when they are hot. Never mix the rice when the rice is hot. Now you can see the grains were separate and they're not broken. So the yummylicious Mumbai street style Tawa Pulav is ready to be packed for lunch. You can see how beautiful it has turned out. Please serve it with onion raita or cucumber raita. Friends, please try this recipe and let me know your feedback. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done, and please press the bell icon so that you will get the updates of my new videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.